Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend income budgeting strategy for financial freedom and explain how dividend cash flow can be planned, managed, and gradually increased to support monthly expenses. First, begin by understanding your monthly expenses. List essential bills, savings goals, and lifestyle spending so you know how much income you need each month. For example, if rent is $500, food is $250, transport is $100, and utilities are $150, your total monthly expense would be $1,000. Knowing this amount gives you a clear starting point for building a realistic dividend income plan. Next, set a dividend income target based on the portion of your budget you want dividends to cover. Beginners may start by aiming to cover 10% of their monthly expenses. After making progress, the target can increase to 25% and later to 50% or more. This gradual approach is often more manageable than trying to replace all monthly income immediately. After that, estimate the required portfolio size using a simple formula. Required capital equals the annual dividend income goal divided by the expected dividend yield. For example, if your target is $6,000 in annual dividend income and the assumed dividend yield is 4%, the estimated capital required would be $150,000. However, this is only an estimate because yields, share prices, taxes, and dividend payments may change over time. Then, choose quality dividend investments rather than focusing only on the highest available yield. You may consider reliable dividend-paying stocks or diversified exchange-traded funds with stable earnings and healthy payout ratios. Important factors to review include dividend payment history, a reasonable payout ratio, sector diversification, and the overall financial strength of the company or fund. Furthermore, build a budget-friendly investment plan using the surplus available after your essential expenses are paid. Even a small regular contribution can help you make progress. For example, you may begin with $100 per month, increase it to $250 per month, and later invest $500 or more as your financial situation improves. Consistent investing is usually more important than starting with a large amount. Meanwhile, try to match dividend payment dates with your regular bills. Some investments pay monthly, while others pay quarterly or follow different schedules. By organizing dividend dates on a calendar, you can better understand when cash may arrive and which expenses it could support. However, because dividend payments are not guaranteed, you should not depend on them for essential bills without maintaining additional savings. Next, decide whether to reinvest the dividend income or use part of it for expenses. During the early growth stage, reinvesting dividends can help purchase more shares and increase future income through compounding. On the other hand, once the portfolio reaches a suitable level, you may withdraw part of the dividend income to cover planned expenses. The correct balance will depend on your income needs, investment goals, age, and risk tolerance. Afterward, review and adjust the strategy at least once every year. Track total dividend income, current yield, budget coverage, and portfolio risks. Also review your expenses, rebalance the portfolio when necessary, and gradually increase contributions when your budget allows. Staying focused on long-term progress can help prevent emotional decisions caused by short-term market movements. In addition, follow several basic budgeting principles. Start by using dividend income to cover essential expenses before lifestyle spending. Keep an emergency fund so you are not forced to sell investments during an unexpected financial problem. Avoid chasing extremely high dividend yields because unusually high yields may indicate financial weakness or a possible dividend cut. Diversify across multiple companies, funds, and sectors, and remain consistent with your investment plan. For example, suppose your financial freedom target is to cover $500 in monthly expenses. This equals $6,000 in annual dividend income. Using an assumed yield of 4%, the estimated capital requirement would be approximately $150,000. This example shows why dividend income strategies normally require patience, regular contributions, reinvestment, and long-term portfolio growth. Most importantly, treat dividend budgeting as a gradual process rather than a quick income solution. Begin with a clear expense target, invest regularly, focus on quality, track payment dates, reinvest when appropriate, and review the plan annually. Over time, dividend income may help cover a larger share of your monthly budget and support your journey toward greater financial freedom. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Dividend income is not guaranteed, investment values can rise or fall, and investors should conduct their own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.